We'll be starting our tour in the file browser. If you're already in a file, no worries. Open the main menu and select Back to Files, or click the Home button on the desktop app to open the file browser. The file browser is the home page of your account. It's where you access your teams, projects and files, organize your work, and manage your account settings. Figma has multiple products, each with its own file type. You can identify Figma Design files by this icon. In the sidebar, you'll see any teams you're a member of. Teams are shared spaces where you can collaborate with others. Within a team, you can create projects to help keep your files organized. Your free plan comes with one project, but you can upgrade your team to get unlimited projects. Every team has a drafts space. Think of your drafts like a personal sketchbook. It's a space where you can explore ideas and experiment with different concepts. There is no limit to how many draft files you can create. When you're done drafting, you can move the file to a project within a team to start working with other editors. Figma shows your most recently viewed files on the Recents page, allowing you to quickly pick up where you left off. You can also star files, so they become easily accessible from the sidebar. Because design files are collaborative spaces, it's a good idea to have a name and picture that others can identify you by. We can update our profile from the account settings in the file browser. In the upper left corner, click your avatar and select Settings from the menu. Here's where you can manage different aspects of your Figma account. Click Edit under the default avatar and select a new image from your computer. You can also update your name if you haven't already.